And welcome back. Second half action now. Jamaica could be without several players for their return World Cup fixture against Canada next year. That's because there are a number of players who are yet to be vaccinated. More in this report. Even though spectators must be vaccinated to see the Reggae Boyz play at the National Stadium, there are a number of players who are yet to take the jab. But those who are yet to roll up their sleeves will miss out on the trip to Canada, who are asking that all travellers must be vaccinated before entering the country.
We are very much aware of that, and the players have been told of the requirement for them to participate in the game of Canada. So they do have a choice. You're giving up certain privilege. You're not forced to, but it is for you to make a conscious decision based upon the privilege that is afforded to vaccinated persons.
This then begs the question as to why overseas-based players are not vaccinated and local-based players are mandated to do so if they are to play in the Premier League. A similar stance, but a different outcome.
If you choose not to play in the National Premier League, you can play somewhere else where the rule is a lot more relaxed. The National Premier League is not the only way you can play football. If he's good enough, he will get a contract somewhere else. If he's good enough to play for the national team, he is good enough to play somewhere else other than in our Premier League.
According to JFF General Secretary Dalton Bint, they are not worried about losing players who refuse to be vaccinated, as a consultancy was done with the clubs before making the mandatory steps.
And our consultation has come up with the fact that persons are willing to get themselves vaccinated to participate. The majority of players now are vaccinated, or if they are not, they are willing to get themselves vaccinated.
Wint is also aware that although the JFF and the PFJL are trying to cut costs on COVID testing, it's an area that cannot be neglected, as even the vaccinated can still catch and spread the virus.